Kaleji before wash. Vinegar 2 tbs. Ginger garlic paste 1 tbs. Half mug water. 4 to 5 tomatoes. Salt 1 tsp. Turmeric 1/4 tsp. Crushed red chili 2 tbs. Green chilies 8 to 10. Kasuri methi 1 tsp. Ginger garlic paste 1 tbs. Oil half cup. Wash 1 kg Kaleji. Add oil. Add Kaleji. Add ginger garlic paste. Crushed chili. Add turmeric. Add tomatoes. Add salt to taste. Cover with lid. Cook 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. After 10 minutes, peel off all the tomatoes. Let the water dry. Cook more for 15 minutes till oil comes on surface. Green chilies. Kasuri methi. Garnish with fresh coriander leaves. Fairy Kitchen.